Hey everyone, Notion just released Notion Faces, so now you can create your very own Notion style avatar for free. You don't even have to enter your email, you don't need a Notion account. You can do this completely for free, and we're going to walk through it right now. So, before we get into it, if you're not familiar with what a Notion face is or what we're talking about here, it's this little avatar you see here. So, there's on the Notion website and Notion's kind of design language, you'll see these kind of like black and white animated avatars. That is what we're talking about. You can create one of your own one of your very own avatars, and so there's two ways to actually get to the site that we're going to go to. So the first is to just enter the URL, which is faces.notion.com. You can go there, or if you're in Notion already and you want to kind of just go from there, what you do is you go to Settings. Oh, my picture's here. And then you go to My Account, and then you can just go to Create Your Portrait. And so that'll open up the same page for you. So what's cool here is we'll just go through this real quick, but you can kind of shuffle through just to get an idea of the different variations that's possible here. So what we're going to do is we're just going to create a new portrait from scratch. And then you can see here, you can play around with your skin tone, your eyes, your brows. Let's do that. Eyewear, your nose, your mouth, your hair. Let me do something a little bit more my style. I like this is interesting. It's not really my style, but let's just go with this. And then you can also add accessories. So you can add like a little hat. You can add this little flower, a pen. I like the pen, or sorry, pencil. You can also add a 404 here, pretty cool. Our teardrop. So this is it. This is the interface. And so when you're ready, you've made the changes that you want to make. You just go ahead and hit save. And then you can name it. So I can say AC Smart using a pen. I'll just say pencil in ear. And then, yeah, I like the gray background here, but you can change it to yellow, blue, or red. And you can export like this. And you hit continue. And then you can just download right here. Boom, AC Smart. And then if you want like a transparent thing for if you're actually using it for the actual avatar, you can do it either with white background or transparent background. You go ahead and hit download. And then if we want to add it back to our Notion so it shows up as our picture, we just hit replace photo here. And then we just add this picture. Boom. Here we have our new avatar. And so I actually like my Vegeta one a little bit better, so I'm going to go with that one. But there you have it. And so now if we look here, you can see my avatar is shown as this little Goku looking dude. So that's it.